want to talk to you a little bit about sprouting. Sprouting is one of the healthiest things you can do for yourself. So when you eat sprouts, you're actually eating the life force of the plant, because it's a very young plant. It's pushing out of the seed. It's in growth mode, and this is exactly what we want for our bodies as well. So we want the new we want the cell generation, we want the cell growth, and in having sprouts is actually what you're doing in essence when you're consuming these. So it's a really simple process. You cannot do anything wrong at all. So what you do is you get these little bags of sprouts, and whatever ones you fancy. You know, this one is alfalfa. Let me just show you. This has been in a couple of days, maybe 3. So whatever you want. This one's alfalfa, this one's broccoli, then I've got a radish one over there as well. Those are sort of my favorites that I tend to use all the time. And what you do is you open the sachet, you pour it into an empty mason jar, and you put fresh water in, cold water, and you just swirl it around, make sure that it really gets rinsed well. And then you take one of these colander things and you just pour the water out, and you turn it, you turn it this way and just hold it over. And the reason why you're doing this is because you're gonna get some stuck here, and all you have to do is you just wipe the glass up like so, and you don't lose any of the seeds, so they go straight back in. And that's worked really well for me. You can get these jars with different things up here, but I don't find them very clean, so I've gone back to actually the old-fashioned method. So then every day what you do is you put fresh water in, you rinse it, you swirl it, and you do the same thing once again. So you get all the water out as much as you can. Just make sure you get all the water out, because otherwise it starts to smell, okay? And it's not supposed to smell bad. This smells fresh. I mean, you can smell it. You can smell it's a little bit earthy, but it smells really good. So once you do that every day, I put a tissue over, fasten it with a rubber band or something, and just put it in a room anywhere that's out of your way. And that's all you have to do. And then they just grow like this. It's quite therapeutic, actually, to watch them grow. And you can snack on them. You can use them as garnish. You can put them in your salad. Oh my God, they're beautiful in the salad. You can do anything. But here's the thing. So I work a lot with, with detoxification, and in the process of detoxification, what you get sometimes is a drop of energy. And well, most of us actually do suffer with low energy anyway. And what you can do to lift up your energy and to get real energy as opposed to borrowed energy from coffee, meat, etc., well, the usual culprits. You can make a juice. So you make a green juice. You can use cucumber, spinach, kale, whatever you want. Anything green goes in there. Celery, coriander, parsley, all these beautiful things. Those are energy givers. And you add in the sprouts, and you will be amazed how much energy that gives you, that one drink. You can add in a green apple if that's a bit too tart for you, and it's just really, it's actually bitter. Certainly the first time you taste it, you will get used to it, but you can put a few green apples in to help you, okay? And that gives you energy, and that's what I use very often during the detoxification process. But regardless, you can have that drink all the time. You can have it every day if you want, and it's amazing. Certainly as the winter time comes back now, you're going to want some sort of a boost, some sort of a pick-me-up, and that is literally with the sprouts. That's true life force, and you will notice a difference. Okay, leave me a comment if you've tried it. Put a comment below. I don't know where you're watching this. You might be on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this on Facebook, you're gonna get on the Facebook page, you will automatically get notifications anyway, but do check back just to make sure you don't miss anything. So leave a comment, tell me where you are, tell me how you've tried it, tell me what it tasted like the first time round, and tell me how it made you feel afterwards. I always love to hear your comments. So that's sprouting in essence. Real simple process. Just do it, try it, and let me know how you get on. Okay? And I'm preparing for the next video. I'm going to be talking about pumpkin ravioli. So stay tuned for that one. Take care. Bye-bye.